Alright guys, hey, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today we're just doing a simple art DIY project. I'm going to take these U-bolts here that were literally laying in our the scrap trailer that we took over a couple weeks ago. I grabbed them out because as I started realizing I could use the bends and things like that for the to make the name short for my mom and stepdad. So congratulations to Will and Susan Short on getting married the other day. We all went down and had a great time hanging out with them and watching them get married. And so we're excited for them about that. So I thought I'd just knock out something really quick. I actually think this was the wife's idea for me to do some kind of art project. So we took the time, or I took the time to knock this out real quick. Just through this scrap metal. Went out and bought a piece of sheet metal from Tractor Supply, which was like 12 or 13 bucks, and just cut these up, welded them together. Something super simple for them to hang out by the pool. So, all right, here we go. And if this is your first time to watch it, I mean, you've never seen us weld with this MillerMatic DV2. This welder we've had Steven's had for like 13 years, and it has really been a workhorse. I'm blown away at the quality of the Miller. And anyways, just thought I would put these on the ground. I actually dropped the piece for the R there, and couldn't find it. Had to cut a whole nother piece to weld it on later. So. There's the final product. Super fun to make, and they obviously loved it because, you know, I mean, it's a handmade gift to them. But it came out really well, so I'm showing you the pieces here for another art project we have, some seashells for some friends of ours. So anyways, thanks a bunch. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything that's coming. You can find us every day on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.